This week on 3D Archery, I got another box in the mail. Hey everybody, welcome to 3D Archery. Greg here. Alright, you know I love new bows. Now, I'm also very big in keeping things at a reasonable price, right? I'm looking out for us new people. I'm not into spending $300, $500, $1,000, $1,200 on a bow. Just not me, right? If you want to do it, fine, that's your choice. Just not for me. So I cater to those of us that don't want to spend a ton of money on a bow, especially if you want to get started. Well, I got contacted by Lightning Archery, and they got a starter bow for $84. Yeah. So they said, you know, are you interested? And I go, starter bow, 84 bucks? Yeah. You know what? That sounds great. So we worked it out and I got one and it came in today. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. We'll take a look at it. I'll test it and I'll give you my honest opinion of it. All right, everybody, let's unbox it. First off, let's talk about the box. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful box. You know, it speaks quality, which I like to see. All right, is it taped? No, I don't see no tape. So, pop one, pop two, pop three, flip it over. Oh yeah, see, uh-oh, everybody's in trouble because if they keep this up, this is quality. Look at that. Directions laid right there. I love it. Wow. Even comes with some arrows. It looks very much like the Sage, and it might be a knockoff of the Sage, but that is beautiful. Wow. That's nice. I'm telling you, I'm impressed. Highly impressed right off the bat. Let's check out this riser. Even has a target inside, which I'll show you. Look at that. They got the holes for mounting a quiver, a plunger. Quality, beautiful looking bow. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So, put it back in and show you. How about that, huh? Look at that. That's quality, right? I love the directions. You pull that out and inside you can see a target. All right off the bat, I'm going to tell you the best value out there because I don't know anybody else will send you a bow, arrows, target for $84. Now let's check out what's in this box. Oh, this is incredible. So, string with finger savers, a forearm guard, cat whiskers, and a stringer. All this for $84. Oh, and there's more. There's a knock and strike plate material. Ha! I am blown away. This is dangerous stuff for everybody because this is awesome. This, right now, I'm telling you, if I was a beginner, this is perfect. This is what I'll recommend to everybody because you got everything you need. You're not going out spending you know, $200-300 for bow plus another $100 and something for arrows, gloves, tabs. You know, you're up and around $500. Not with this. For $84, you got everything that you want. Wow, let's take a look at these limbs. String groove, one piece. It's nice. I tell you what, this is good stuff. I am really just blown away by this. Alright everybody, it is nasty here in Louisiana. I'm sweating. It's in the high 80s, massive humidity. Sun's out, but it's been raining all day. Let's look at her up close. A couple things. Radius shelf, which is good. Riser not. Doesn't matter, it's good. Attachment for a stabilizer, a attachment for a plunger, and attachments for a bow quiver. Now I have to make a correction. The price isn't $84, it's $115. I don't know what I was thinking. What that was on there. That's what I seen. It was the discount. That's how much they marked it down. But for $115, this is incredible. They even come with arrows. What I do love about the arrows is that rubber right there. Stop the quill from going in. Got sort of a flat bullet point on it. Gonna probably be a little short for me, but we'll give it a try. Oh yeah, string savers. You don't even need a glove. All right, I'm gonna try 3 under. Don't mind me. I like the weight of the riser. The riser weighs a lot more than the Black Hunter. Easy. All right, 30 pounds. That's what I like to stay at for 3D. Fantastic hold. I just threw the string on, did a quick check. It was fine. Let's try one of my arrows. Let's see if mine doing anything different. Yeah, put my nose. All right. Heavier riser, more forgiving than a Black Hunter. Black Hunter's a little light and she can get twitchy in your hands. This is a little heavier weight. She absorbs a little bit more energy, so it's pretty good. No hand shock, pretty quiet. I bet I put string puffs on it, be dead quiet. So initial impression, it's a good shooter. No flaws, biggest thing. So up next, let's see how fast she's shooting. .146. .147. .150. All right, let's keep going, and I'll add it up and tell you what we get at the end. All right, 10th arrow. I don't need to shoot 1 billion of them to get a feeling for the bow. I can tell you right now, first 2 were low. That was me getting used, but 150 since then. .154. All right, let's see what we get for high. 156. Low. 146. Average. 152. Not bad. You know what? Hey, that's it. But I'm going to try my other arrows for 3 and let's see what we get with that, just out of curiosity. Alright, I'm going to try it again with my Cross X Hurricane Octagon 800 spines. These are my normal arrows, 2 fletch. Yeah, we got big bugs here. RDY. Real deadly year. Let's see what we get. Oh, that was all nose. 174. That hurt my nose. $170. $165. Maybe hit my nose, speed it up a little bit, huh? Cuttra, that's what it is. $173. All right, we'll do it up to 10. $173. All right, let's see. High, 174. Lows at 161. Yeah, that hurt. Average, 169. All right. Don't know the weight difference, but definitely my cross X's fly faster. They're a little longer. I think they're lighter too. They do definitely feel lighter. I'll weigh them and I'll let you know. All right, so there's the speeds. You got your first impression. Now I'm going to take it out, 3D course. Let's see how it works in the real world. All right, everybody out here at Waddell. I set it up. I took off the finger savers, put me a knock point on. Got my brace about 7 3/4. It's a little loud. There's a twang to it still, but I'm not too worried about it. It shoots fine. I put them where I wanted them. Okay, I shot 3 arrows. So we'll try it again. Let's just get a feel for it. You know, I have to say, out in the sunlight, this blackish gray color here, it's awesome looking. All right, I'm gonna shoot that bear. He's 20 yards out. Not bad, right in the 10. You heard it twang. If I put some string savers, I did put a little bit, oh, not all the way, but some padding there. Should have went longer. I'll show you. Nothing more needs to be said on the accuracy of this thing. All right, everybody, here we are, 3D course. I'm ready to take it out. Only shot it at 20, so the first target, of course, is about 40-something yards away. So, probably a miss too, but let's find out how it shoots. And that's the purpose of doing this one, is just to see how it shoots. Not bad. All right, try one more. I put it on its back and I hit just about where I wanted, but to the left. All right, not bad, not bad. All right, 44 yards. Here's the 10. That's my first shot. This is my second shot. That much penetration. I mean, nothing's foam. Alright. So, easy to shoot in the long ranges. You can check that off. as I said at the beginning of the video, I made this course. It's called the Deer Trail course here at Waddell. It's part of the Amy River Traditional Archery course. Most of it follows deer trails, but every shot I made has a challenge to it. Whether it's distance, size, what you gotta do. This one, you gotta shoot from the kneeling. Ooh, dropped it way low. Try that one again. Oh, that's obviously where I want to shoot. Well, at least it's consistent. Good shot. Gotta thread the needle. Right next to the tree. Oh, just outside the 10. Pain in the neck. All right, everybody, target 10, sweet bow. It's easy, right? Besides a little loud sound, which I'll deal with down the road, this thing, it's easy to shoot. She shoots well. I've got a bear around 23. Ooh, little bicky. Try it again. I'm telling you, it's consistent. Yeah, I aimed the same spot. I thought it was me last time. Wasn't me. Wait. No, it wasn't me. I didn't make a mistake. It hit where I was looking. That's where I was looking. Not bad, not. You can see him out there. Red fox, coyote, sorry, coyote. So I shoot here, I'll hit these branches. I shoot here, I'll still probably hit the branches, but at 30 yards. I'll put it just above, I think. Boom, baby! He's a talking. Nice shot. All right, so shot at 3 decoys, 14 targets, no misses. Got a few 10s. It's not fully tuned, a little loud. I think it's a great bow. I'll tell you that right now. I like it. It's not the most beautiful, gorgeous looking thing, although I do love that dark brownish or blackish, grayish, bluish wood color. I think that's awesome looking. The red accent sets it off perfect in there too. Performance wise, I couldn't ask for more. All right, so we're gonna go in. I'm gonna shoot it a little bit more. I'm gonna go out and practice range, shoot some target archery with it, play around with it, and then we'll give you some hits and misses. Then we're gonna wrap it up by answering the question I know that you all are asking right now. Everybody, there's my shooting. Quick note, I did not tune the bow. I went out there, we had a big chance of thunderstorms coming in, so I was very time compressed. I threw the string on there, got the brace height just a little bit over 7.5, put an arrow on it, shot it, put it in the 10, good. Put another one on it, shot it next to that, verified it. Took a couple of their arrows, shot it, and they shot about, I'd have to say about 4 inches higher. So that's why I used my arrows. Now what's really impressive about that is the bow's not tuned. Arrows are not tuned to that bow. And the arrows only have 2 fletches, which means they're, if it wasn't right, it'd really show it, right? But I shot great. I thought I shot good, I should say, not great. Few 10s, no misses out of 14 targets. Easy to shoot bow, had total confidence in it. I knew within like the first 3 targets that things are going to be fine, right? And that leads us up to the hits and misses. What are the hits? The biggest hit and the most important hit is its value. There is no better value out there, right? The Edge Pro from Lightning Archery, it's not just a bow, it's a complete starter kit. There might be cheaper bows, but you're not going to find a starter kit. Every single thing you need to get started is in that kit. You have that person, your child, friend, whatever they might be, that wants to get started in archery, but you don't want to spend all that money, 115 all in, you got everything you need. Now otherwise, you might be able to get your bow for 80 bucks, but then you got to buy arrows, brace, gloves, tabs, whatever you need, quivers, right, every stringer, all that other stuff. So you're going to have to buy it all. But with this, you're all in. So this is the best value out there, period. Right? Second one, this is a very stable bow. This bow did not move. It was rock solid in my hand. It didn't twitch. It was easy to shoot well. And I love that. I like a stable bow. And one of the reasons why it is so stable is because of that grip. I'm going to have to say this is the most comfortable grip I've ever felt. I love it. My hand just naturally fits into it every single time. And that's something that I love about it, right? And finally, I love the colors of this bow. That black gray wood, you get it out in the sun and it gets almost like a 3D look. The red highlight strips comes out perfect, and it all perfectly matches up with that bamboo core, right? Those are my hits. Pretty simple, and the biggest one and the most important one, which I'm going to come back to, is the value. Misses. There are no misses with this bow, but there is a miss in the kit, and that's the arrows. I don't know what spine they are. I'm guessing they're 600, but I can't be sure. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner archer, right? Any arrow will work. But if you're an intermediate archer, you'd like to know those things. So very, very small miss. You know, maybe more like a foul ball, right? So there you have it. Lightning Archery's Edge Pro takedown bow. I think it is the only choice out there for a beginner archery kit. Intermediate archers, it's a great choice. It's a good bow, it's a solid shooter, and you get a whole bunch of stuff to play with it. Advanced archers, it's a good bow just to put in a bag and take off and go shooting. It's good for everybody. It's perfect for beginners. All right? And that's what I'm talking about.
this bow with that kit, you're not going to beat it. Simply not. Lightning Archery has a 100% guarantee, and I back that up too, because you'll be satisfied. Everything you're going to need. When you open it up and you see the quality, you're going to go, wow. Oh, what you get for $115 is absolutely mind-blowing. All right? I'd like to thank Lightning Archery for not giving up on me. They've been pushing me to review this bow, and I've been putting them off because I had other things to do, and I like to buy my stuff. But I took them on their offer, and I'm so happy I did, because now you're going to be seeing me shoot this bow. That's how much I actually like it. All right, everybody, that's it. The Lightning Archery Edge Pro, the best value out there and the perfect starter kit. The perfect starter kit. All right, don't forget to check out the website right here where you can find a list of archery clubs and 3D courses and archery courses throughout the country. You'll also find a listing of archery festivals, competitions, competition bodies, product reviews, and of course, targets by me, 3D Archery. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Lightning Archery's website also. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time with an all-new episode where I'm probably most likely shooting the Edge Pro of 3D Archery.